Good morning. Asian stocks fell on Monday, May 14, 2012, as speculation heightened in Greece may exit from single European currency, countering China's effort to shore up the economic growth by cutting the level of cash banks must set aside as reserves. Shares were under pressure after a choppy session on Monday as investors waited political developments in Europe and China's weekend move to loosen monetary policy. South Korea's Kospi index retreated by 0.2%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index slipped to 1.2%, and it also slided in the last 2 hours of trading and after rising as much as 0.4%. Then China Shanghai Composite Index declined by 0.6, and the only market which was in positive was Nikkei. Average rose to 0.2%. And also coming to the commodities, also declined to the cheapest level this year, and the euro weakened to 3-month low in the final on a concern that the Greece will exit the single European currency, and after German Chancellor Angela Merkel party lost the state election. So key bench indices fell for the fifth straight trading session to reach their lowing closing level in 17 weeks as latest data showing acceleration of inflation in April 2012. And weak global stocks hurt the sentiment adversely. The market breadth was weak. The barometer index BSC lost 77.14 points yesterday, coming to a percentage loss of 0.47%. And coming back to today's trade, index heavyweight Reliance Industries declined over 2%, and oil exploration stocks fell as crude oil prices declined. And some defensive stocks gained in the weak market, and interest rate sensitive banks and reality shares reversed initial gains. And after the latest data showed inflation accelerated in April 2012, India's largest engineering and construction company came out with the results, and L&T rose after its very good Q4 results. And Adani Power tumbled as a company reported a reverse turnaround in Q4 March, and it also fell with the Q4 results. And also JSW led the pack by declining due to the Q4 weak results. Volatility ruled the roost as the key bench indices trimmed losses after hitting fresh intraday lows in mid-afternoon trade. Intense volatility was witnessed as the key bench indices weakened once again after recovering sharply after hitting the 17-week low in late trade. Foreign institutional investors bought shares worth rupees 355.1 crore on Monday, and as the professional figure shows, FII have bought 831.09 crores in 3 sessions from May 10 to May 14, 2012. And coming to today's market, the market may extend the 5-day losing streak on weak Asian stocks. The trading of CNX Nifty futures on Singapore Stock Exchange indices indicate there's a fall of 34.5 points at the opening bell. So today's market Nifty to be range bound between 4870 and 4950. And also we can see the shares of the importers may edge lower as the rupee is resumed to slide against the dollar on Monday 14, which also closed about 54.10. And the metal stocks also can decline because yesterday we saw the metals dropped 1.8, all the metals dropped 1 point around the average of 1.89% on Monday. And even we can watch out OMCs, the public sector oil marketing companies may edge higher while the oil exploration firms may decline as crude oil prices extend recent losses. So lower crude oil prices could decrease under recoveries of state or oil marketing companies. And coming to today's recommendation, we have a buy call on L&T with a target of 1210 with a stop loss of 1140. And we have a sell call on Dena Bank with a stop loss of 83 and with a target of 78. Thank you.